Today I'll show you how to install the INA apps and how to use them. First, go to the App Store, then install the two apps, Avalon and Deck. Let's start. Avalon is pretty simple. Once it's installed, you don't need any extra tools or skills. Deck is a little different, does require extra tools, so after installing the app, we need to go one step further and set up the components it depends on. Next, click into Agents. There, you can find the tool you need and install it directly. Once the installation is done, you'll see that the setup has gone from 0 to 1. If you want to check the details of a tool, just click Details. That's where you can see the tool version, and if you ever need to update it later, this is the place to check. After that, go to Installed Apps and enable the permissions for each app. You can see what permissions each app needs, including things like Elm and Agent sessions. Turn on the ones you need and save the settings, so the app can work properly. Once that's done, click the plus button to go back to the home page. You should now see both apps appear at the bottom. One important thing to note here: the model shown in the main chat box is not the model that controls the app. The model that actually controls the app is the one in the Elm area at the bottom left, so make sure to choose it there. Now let's start with Avalon. Click Avalon, and the app will pop up. From there, set your name first, and then you can start playing. The AI will begin talking, and you can vote, chat with the AI, and just enjoy the whole social deduction game. Next is Deck. Click Deck, and its interface will pop up too. All you need to do is type in your request, and Deck will start generating it for you. During generation, you can see it go through page planning, file preparation, and then page-by-page creation. Once everything is finished, you can move into the final preview. If you want to export the result, just click Export. You can choose to export as either PTX or PDF. After the file is ready, click Download and you'll have the final output. So that's the full flow, from installing the apps, setting permissions, and choosing the right model, all the way to actually using Avalon and Deck.